How to build a viral personal brand that gets you clients on autopilot. In this video, I want to go through exactly how you can do so. And I'm someone who was getting 10 million views every single month, so I know what I'm speaking about. But anyway, let's get into this, okay? So I've been able to get over 100+ million views on social media for me and my clients. And as you can see here, this was quite old here. This was on TikTok back in 2020. I was getting 3.2 million views in 7 days. 800k in 7 days, 10 million views, 9.6 million views, and that was on TikTok back in 20, and this is more recent. So for my client, 150k views, 3.9 million views, 209k views, 100k views, 96k views. Got two of my clients to 100k followers, got another client to 11k followers, and got my own account to 20k followers. And I've also got multiple other people to a high amount of followers, and also made a load of money with their offer. Okay, so and here's an example of some of our pieces of content that we've created for clients and myself as well. Let's just take a look at this so you know I'm able to create quality content too.
5k a month. It's probably because we don't have enough attention.
So as you can just see, amazing quality content there. And let's just look at, I think this is a client one. Insane. My editors are amazing, man. But yeah, that's just an example. I'll show you one more before we get into it. Insane. What do you think, boys and girls? Should I keep the haircut that I've got right now, or the one that I just showed you, because that was me? Anyway, those are the videos that we can create, and also what I've done for me and my clients, just so you know I'm not chatting absolute BS, and I actually know what I'm speaking about. So first things first, there is no secret for going viral. Okay, truth be told, you cannot just control the algorithm. Okay, it's got a mind of its own. It's been created to have a mind of its own. Okay, so it's not possible to actually control the algorithm to guarantee you get views. But the thing that I've noticed is once you gain quite a big following, it's so easy to go viral. Same thing when I had 22k followers. It's because everyone starts to interact with your followers straight away, which means your video is going to be pushed out to more people. But it gets easier, guys, trust me. If you're struggling right now, it does get easier once you get that one that hits. But anyway, there are a few tips and tricks which you can implement to have a better chance of going viral. And make sure you understand what I just said, better chance of going viral. I'm not guaranteeing anything here, but it will allow you to go viral, these tips and tricks. But just saying, like, don't expect to go viral all the time, because that's not how it works unless you have a big following. Viral's different to different people, because I've got so many views. My viral's like 5 million plus. That means viral to me. So if you're getting like below 5, like even below 1 million is not viral to me. Not really. Okay, 100k views, that's not viral, that's decent. Okay, so viral's different to different people, and it depends on what your viral is. Some of your viral might be like 50k. It is still viral in a sense, but not for some people. Okay, if you understand what I'm saying. But anyway, I also just want to make clear, going viral isn't everything. It's really just one big dopamine hit. And I remember this when I was getting 10 million views a month, likes coming through on TikTok. I used to refresh it all the time, just dopamine. Made me feel like a man, but I realized I weren't making a lot of money from it. So anyway, I've also heard people say more attention equals more money, and I used to preach this too. But what would you prefer? Just listen to this for a minute. 100,000 views of people who are actually interested in your coaching, or 5 million randoms? I would prefer 100,000. okay, because they're interested in my coaching. They're interested in, well, I don't even sell coaching, but they're interested in coaching and in your coaching offer. So that's what I would do. Focus on, like, don't focus on going viral all the time. If you go viral all the time, it's amazing, okay? It's just another bit of dopamine. But anyway, the first thing is your video structure, okay? And what you need to realize is the only metrics you should focus on, especially on Instagram, TikTok, everything like that, should be watch time and engagement, okay? The more engagement you have, the more your videos will be pushed out to more people. The longer people watch your videos for, the more your video will be pushed out to more people, okay? That's just how it works. And the hook of your video must hook viewers in and also intrigue them for more, so they want to watch longer, okay? And this is the main, most important aspect of your video, because that's the first thing that people are going to see. So if they see it, it's not intriguing them, they don't want to watch it, it doesn't look like it's going to be a good video, they're going to swipe, okay? People's attention spans are finished, okay? So this hooks are the main, most important part of your video, and there's 3 main hook styles you should follow, and these will get people to actually want to stay on your video and watch longer. So the first one is a visual hook, and this is especially for short form content. For short form content, visual hooks are super important because we're visual creatures, okay? But a visual hook is basically something coming on your screen straight away to grab the audience's attention, and this works well with short form, especially because we are visual creatures, as I said, and attention spans are low. So we have tailored a visual hook for all of our clients. As you can see here, the visual hook for Andrew with his brand colors, and as you can see, just the image, massive building and some money. A visual hook for my client Stephen, as you can see, brand colors, house, and this was going up, so it came from 0 to 50,000 there. So it was going up as he was speaking, which was kind of cool, and I love my editors, they're so good at what they do. And also just the image here showing money, okay? So we've tailored this towards our clients, and we do that for every client that joins our agency, okay? Because we're a content agency, but we're not your normal content agency. We actually help implement a conversion mechanism. Instead of just getting you views, we get you views and convert the attention into paying clients, okay, for you. But anyway, we have tailored that towards our clients, and this is very important, okay, because a visual hook is needed. But if you saw this video, be honest with yourself, would it intrigue you for more? Probably, okay? You've seen the title, and you can also make the titles controversial to improve people actually wanting to watch your video, because people love drama, we're humans. But of course you would want to watch it. It looks like a quality video, okay? You've probably never seen this style of editing before, and it looks quality, okay? So of course you're going to want to stay on the video. So I follow the framework for my visual hooks like this. So I have a title to summarize my video in 6 words or less. So as you can see, 6 words, 3 tips to maximize your settlement. This is for a lawyer. How to profit in Airbnb arbitrage. Again, okay, 6 words or less. I wouldn't overcrowd it, because otherwise it just starts to look really bad quality. But yeah, so a title to summarize the video in 6 words or less. I want an image creating curiosity. So why has he got his thumbs up? Why is he handing money? And also images making video look quality. So images behind him, images here, the house here, so it just makes the video look really quality. So that's the framework I kind of follow for the visual hook, and my editors follow. I've trained my editors up to follow that framework, and they're amazing, man. Like, if you own a content agency, you understand what I'm saying. But every time you just look at the edit, you're like, damn, they are improving so much. But anyway, that is the first thing. So visual hooks. It's super important. It just grabs the audience's attention, makes your brand look quality as well, and the quality of your videos represents your personal brand, which represents your business, so take that into consideration, okay? The next hook is a controversial hook, and controversial content will always win because people love drama. Okay, we're humans, we love a bit of drama. That's why people watch movies, that's why people watch, we call it soaps in England, and this is just stuff like Emmerdale, EastEnders. You may not know this if you're from America, but it's just drama. It's basically drama shows, okay? That's why people watch it, because they love drama. Just look at the recent Donald Trump incident, okay? Like, people love drama. It was all over the internet, and I know he's the former president and everything like that, but people love drama, okay? And you see all the podcasts, they're all out like this. People are watching them, 1 million views overnight, everything like that. That's because they love drama, okay? They love drama. But anyway, a controversial hook is saying something controversial which would get someone's attention straight away and stop their scroll. Okay, so for example, I once made a video about how going clubbing is for bums. So it's for brokies, it's for bums. It went crazy because most people love clubbing. And this is controversial, and I kept on posting this kind of video, and it just kept on going up and up and up. And then I saw a trend. I was like, okay, being controversial. Like all of my pieces of content that I've done super well, but controversial. You don't even want to know about the videos I was creating when I was getting 10 million views a month. They were super controversial. I might even throw one up on the screen, but...
Yo, mate. So, have you filmed my set?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, cool, thanks. Here you go.
Alright. What the fuck?
Right, mate. Yeah, thanks for doing that. Is that alright, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a bit embarrassing to show, but got to be fully transparent. But they're all controversial, okay? And controversial wins all the time. And you don't even need to make the whole video controversial. Just make the first couple of seconds controversial, okay? And this will grab their attention and make them want to watch more, okay? Literally try it once, and I guarantee you will see a difference in view count. Okay, guarantee it. It will 3x your view count 100% because you're being controversial. Okay, but make sure you always relate it back to what you sell and your industry. So an example of a controversial hook would be, so let's just say you help people get in the best shape of their lives. It would be something like bench press doesn't build your chest, or bench press is the worst way to build your chest. If you still bench press and expecting it to grow your chest, you're dumber than I thought. That would be super controversial, okay? So just think of how to make, let's just put it like this, how to make your content negative so people comment, okay? That's how to really get views, okay? And especially like a controversial content does super well, okay? And the final hook is really the authority hook, and this is making sure people know you know your shit, so you know what you're talking about, okay? So you're basically going to be seen as an authority within your space, within your industry. This also gives you an opportunity to show clients results as well, and this will build up even more trust. And trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something, okay? So for example, my client Jim gained 3 inches on his biceps in 3 weeks. Here's how. That positions you as an authority because you helped the client get 3 inches on his biceps in 3 weeks. People are going to want to watch longer because you're showing social proof, okay? It's going to make them want to stay on because if they know that you or one of your clients have been able to get a certain outcome that they would like, they will keep watching because they want to know how you did it, okay? So use these hooks as leverage to grab people's attention. A controversial hook, visual hook, and an authority hook. Sorry, I should say in order. Visual hook, controversial hook, authority hook. And what you can do is have both. So visual hook and a controversial hook, visual hook and an authority hook, okay? So you can put two together and it will increase the likelihood of people staying on your videos, okay? And what I want to go through quickly is really a big mistake most people make with their content. As you know, as I mentioned, watch time is a huge aspect of your content if you want it to be pushed out to more people. And what most people do is they get the hook right, they have amazing editors, but they make this one mistake. They say something like, here's a secret hack to, they reveal the hack straight away. The only reason why the person stayed on the video was because they wanted to know about the secret hack. Now they know about it, what do you think they're going to do? Correct, they're going to swipe off, they're going to go to the next video. And guess what this means? Yes, your watch time will be down. And this means your video won't be pushed out to as many people, okay? So how do you stop this from happening? How do you make people watch longer? And all you need to do is simply hype up the hack. Hype up the thing that you're about to reveal. It's really as simple as that. So for example, and listen to this carefully because it's important, okay? So here's a secret hack to get bigger biceps. This hack allowed my client to gain 3 inches on his biceps in 3 weeks. It's also the hack which Arnold Schwarzenegger used to win Mr. Olympia, and it has nothing to do with exercises at all. And I don't know why more people are not speaking about it, but to grow bigger biceps, all you need is to have more sleep. Okay, so you see how I hyped the secret up, then revealed it towards the end. And of course, I'm going to speak more after saying that. But now they've watched for the optimal amount of watch time, it's going to be pushed out to more people. Okay, so I hyped up the secret to the max, and I also intrigued them as well by saying it doesn't involve exercises. So someone who goes gym, they're probably going to think, oh, it's a new exercise. No, I'm going to intrigue them for more and say it's not an exercise, it's actually your sleep. Okay, so this is what I mean by hyping up the video. So hype up the solution to their pain, and hype up the hack that you want to reveal. Okay, and guys, that's how to build a viral personal brand. The only things that really matter is the hook of your video, so hooking people in, the structure of your video, which is really just hyping up what you're about to reveal and intriguing people for more. And that's how to build a viral personal brand, and that's just how to go viral in general. Okay, and yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. If you're an online coach and you have a solid offer, you have a few testimonials to back that offer up, and you're making at least 10K a month, and you want to build a one-of-one personal brand, you want to go viral, and you actually want to get clients through your personal brand and scale your coaching offer to new heights, get 15 to 30 qualified appointments on your calendar every single month, guaranteed, or you don't pay. If that interests you, and again, you're an online coach, make sure you book in a call with the second link in the description. We can speak in more detail. It's a free call. We just go through, see if we can help you, see if you're interested in being helped, and we'll just go from there. But anyway, hope you got some value from this. Subscribe if you're an online coach, because I post content like this every single day, teaching you exactly how to build a one-of-one personal brand and actually get qualified leads and clients on a daily basis. I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.